got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. You got so much to say, but you're quiet like yesterday. Trying to read your eyes while we're kissing in the rain. Oh, look me in my eyes. Never thought they could tell you lies. I know they did, and it keeps messing with my head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. Without a text, no. I miss you, babe. Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. Been missing everything that we had. Been missing everything that I miss you, babe. Can't be too late. I miss you, babe.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Don't play me, 'cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. 'Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. Então foi isso, meus amores. Minha cozinha ficou assim, ó, chãozinho limpinho. É porque o chão aqui, o piso é velho, meus amores, tá? Por isso tem essas manchas. Mas tá tudo limpinho, olha só, aqui que ficou organizadinho. Coloquei essa plantinha aqui. Aqui no armário ficou organizadinho. Tudo limpinho dentro, olha só, tudo organizado. Tá, gente? Olha só. Tudo organizadinho. Geladeira também ficou limpinha, gente. Tá vazia porque eu ainda vou fazer compras. Tá, botei essa plantinha ali. Cantinho do tempero também tá limpinho. Só tem essa lucinha ali pra me guardar. Pia limpa, fogão limpo, brilhando. Tá bom, meus amores? E é isso, meus amores. Minha cozinha ficou assim. Gostei muito. Minha ring light tá aqui. Ficou tudo limpinho, gente. Então, meus amores, o vídeo de hoje foi esse. Espero que vocês tenham gostado desse vídeo, tá? Desde já, deixa o like, se inscreva no canal para estar me ajudando, para que o YouTube entenda que vocês estão gostando dos meus vídeos, tá bom, meus amores? E é isso, tô aqui toda acabada, gente. Mas é isso, né? O importante é que tá tudo limpinho por aqui, né? E é isso, amores. Um beijo, gente, e até o próximo vídeo.